Whew, what is going on, y'all? So I'm sitting in front of the Chinese place that I tried the other night. Yep, get me some Chinese and going to get me a bottle of wine for tonight. This week has been a week and today has been a day. As you see, I'm sweaty. I looked at 3 properties today. I'm gonna upload a video about the properties. After that, we went to Hobby Lobby. You'll see some of the shorts that I have uploaded about Hobby Lobby, our time at Hobby Lobby, looking for the Christmas tree, looking for the decorations. I think my son, I realized I wanted to do something, but being a boy mom and really where he's understanding more, my son is autistic. He's back there sleeping right now. He's understanding more. So he was so excited. If you watch one of my shorts I posted, he was so excited about the Grinch. So, this mama gonna make it happen. We are going to decorate. So we saw 3 properties. And honestly, y'all, I liked number 2. It was just the floor plan. I liked it because it was new construction. It was new construction. It was beautiful. It was a villa type townhome, but it was just really pushing the budget. And like I said, the floor plan was kind of cuckoo for me having an autistic son. Number 3 was just out. There was no amenities, and paying that much and not having the amenities, a gym, a pool, a splash pad for my son, really no backyard space. It was like, what's the point of moving? You might as well stay where you're at. So that was a no. And number 1, it's a private owner that I'll be renting from. She was very, very sweet. Her daughter's about to have a baby any day now, maybe even on my birthday. But I think that was it. When I walked in, I knew where I could put the Christmas tree. And then as we were in Hobby Lobby, I saw where I could decorate. I saw the stuff for his room. So I really do think that's a number 1. It has the cheapest application fee. It was the one that was the most affordable. And like I said, when we walked in, how my son was acting, he acted like that in number 2, but it was just number 3. By number 3, he was over it. He was stimming. When he went outside, he was like, ain't no outside for real. But if you watch the video I'm gonna post it a little bit later. I'll go into detail and I do a walkthrough of all of them. But y'all, I'm super excited just showing up. So hopefully prayers that one that I want out of the, cause y'all, I'm tired of looking, out of the 3 I saw today, I'm hoping number 1 stays available so we can go ahead and move forward and get that one. Yeah, I'm looking forward to getting that one. Go ahead and put the application in, put the deposit on there, and get ready to move in. I know I was looking at December 21st, but I was like, no, if I could really get in there by December 1st, that would be perfect. So I'm about to go hard on TikTok Shop because, of course, YouTube, I won't get paid on till December 21st, maybe November 21st if I go ahead and knock out these last, 6-7 days. So I still got to get like 40-50 subscribers and go ahead and make over $100 for a payout. And if I really want to make some money, I really got to, I got to go live. I just got a lot. But I know I need to do TikTok and make sure I'm getting my products out there. I do sell health and wellness products as well. So I need to go ahead and get that booming. Y'all, it's go time. It's go time. It's go. And I'm ready. I am so ready. And then January, I can put my place up for sale. Hopefully it'll sell by February. And then that will take me out of that financial tightness because I have the money from that. I'm gonna put it in savings and then just prepare to get ready to move again in 2 years. We're gonna sit there. It had a fenced in backyard. The kitchen, which y'all will see it in the video. It just felt like, it felt right. My son felt right talking to the realtor. It was business but wasn't business. She was even like, dang, I really would like to rent to someone like you because of your personality, your demeanor. It's just you and your son. And she saw my son's special needs and she was like, oh my goodness, he picked out his room. Girl, he was so excited. And then where they had the loft, it just fit for us. It was perfect for us. The master is downstairs and there's 2 bedrooms upstairs, so I still have that to think about, but I think we can go ahead and make it work. I know we can make it work. If God wants it for us, he'll give it to us. So y'all, I'm about to get my Chinese food, get my wine, so I can be ready for rocks tonight. When I get home, I am going to go live to try to get so many subscribers, and then again, I'm gonna go live again after Rock's Red Cup, so I can go ahead and get these subscribers, because I got goals, and I'm gonna go ahead and film some TikTok content so that can be ready as well, baby. It's go time. It's go time. When you see your child get so happy and want something, and you know you can make it happen, you just have to show up consistently to make it happen. That's what I'm finna do. That's what I'm finna do. I know I want my teeth fixed. I know I want all that, and I know that's gonna come. I start that process in January. But at the end of the day, seeing how he want that Grinch for Christmas, and we want this house, yeah, so it's go time. Show up consistently, show up, show out every day. I'm gonna be posting long form. I'm gonna be posting shorts. Prepare to get sick of me. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. Bye.